So I want you to bless Kay Beyer as you're watching her. Just pray a prayer of blessing over her and her ministry. She's actually going all over the world into many different nations in 2008 to continue preaching the gospel. And her husband is in glory amongst the great cloud of witnesses, I'm sure rooting her on. But, you know, there's times when, of course, you will feel lonely, and your prayers are going to help her. So enjoy her, this precious saint of God.
We were in Portland, and these ladies, two ladies called it and said, there's an Indian pastor in the hospital. And he's the one that sets up the Crusades for Benny Hinn in India, and he's over here trying to do things and raise funds. He got deathly sick in the hospital. They didn't think he was going to even live, some kind of a staph infection, and they called his wife to come over. They didn't think they wanted to know if we'd go up to the hospital and pray for him. We'd been at their home the night before, and the man had come, and we had some left over, so we thought we'd give him, you know, some manna and pray for him. And we got there was another lady in the hospital, and there was him, and then Harold and I, and these other two ladies, so there were 6 of us there. And so when you come in and nobody's even heard about the testimony of the manna, you know, you got to tell the testimony a little bit. And so we kind of tried to explain it, and we told them the manna came, so the night before, and we had someone, we'd give it to them. And so we gave him the manna, we prayed for him, and everything, and we were done praying, and we were just talking. Harold laid his Bible down right beside him on the bed. And here, in a split second, in front of his eyes, 6 pieces of manna fell again, right in front of him. And he had manna again. And after we left, that other lady, he told that other lady, you have to leave too. He says, I got to get alone and think this through. The next day, he went home totally healed.